HR people will take care of your termination if they identify your dual employment or PF overlapping in your service history. Understand one thing, even though if you got termination letter, they will provide full and final settlement. Even though if you relieve properly, at the time also they will provide full and final settlement. The full and final settlement only for employee reference or employee benefit. So don't think full and final settlement will not help you to join in the new organization. So both the cases they will provide full and final settlement. Okay, and remember, once you got terminated, it will be very difficult to get the job opportunity in the market right now. So don't try to encourage dual employment or don't try to create PF overlapping. If you face any PF overlapping related issues, you can approach to me. I will give you alternative suggestion. So try to approach to me from the scratch. Okay, definitely I will help you. I will give you suggestion effectively. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.